Hello everyone, welcome to today's biology lesson, and today we are going to be learning about the elusive manta ray, which falls under the family of the sea rays, which is either stingrays, skates, something of the kind. Now, the funny thing is stingrays, sea rays, they're all actually related to sharks, which is kind of strange, but I think it's really interesting. What else is really interesting is the size of manta rays. These are some massive fish. They are about 29 to 30 meters from wingtip to wingtip average, which is, that's pretty big. That is a very big animal. And they also were called devil rays originally because they had these big horns in front of their face, which is also strange because no other stingray has that. And they are called cephalic lobes. These lobes are specifically used to basically shovel food into their face, which they eat planktonic types of creatures, krill, stuff like that, like a whale. They're basically a stingray whale, is how I imagine them. Now, they all have the black and white markings, and there's actually two different kinds of them, which they both look nearly the same. It's just more based on geography. And these two types of manta rays are called the giant oceanic manta ray, Manta biostris, and then the small oceanic reef manta ray, which they're about the same size. And this one is called Manta alfredi. Now, the other interesting thing is their intelligence. They have the biggest brain to body ratio, making them one of the most genius animals on the planet. And this can also be seen in how docile they are with humans, and specifically how they are able to interact with other creatures without having to be hostile. They don't really have the supplies to be hostile, considering they have no stinger, which is what stingrays use to hurt other animals or hunt. And they have basically no other form of weapon on their body. But manta rays are very playful. They'll blow bubbles at scuba divers, and they'll be very just playful. This was found out by Andrea Marshall, who is actually queen of the manta rays on every form of social media and in science. And I really hope that this video could have brought some awareness to them, and I hope you maybe just research them, look them up after this, because they are really an incredible animal who deserves some love, just as all the other cool animals in the world have.